viewers and listeners, welcome to today's COVID-19 update where we'll be speaking to the Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony. Dr. Anthony says the ministry is monitoring the United States Food and Drug Administration's deliberations on a possible second dose of the U.S.-made Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Today, the FDA in the U.S. is meeting to deliberate on whether the Moderna vaccine would whether they're going to decide whether they'll give permission for Moderna to do a third dose. And also tomorrow they'll be looking at the J&J vaccine to decide whether or not you'll have to get a second dose. So these are new developments in terms of the regimens of how we use the vaccine. And we're paying keen attention because, at least for the J&J, we have been using that in Guyana, and if we have to give a second dose now, then we'll have to go back or encourage those persons who would have received it to come and get that booster shot.
Meanwhile, the minister says the country's COVID-19 vaccination campaign has been progressing well, with over 300,000 persons taking the first dose of any of the vaccines offered.
So the numbers from yesterday would have gone up slightly. We now have 371,007 persons who would have received a first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. So that takes our percentage up to 72.3% of our adult population receiving a first dose vaccine. In terms of second dose vaccine, we've had 228,262 persons who would have received a second dose vaccine or would have been fully immunized. That would now put the percentage at 44.5%. In terms of the Pfizer vaccine for children, we had 26,130 persons receiving a first dose. That's about 35.8% of our adult population. And for second dose, it's 15,879, which would be about 21.8% of that age cohort receiving both doses. So we have been making incremental progress.
The health minister said the ministry continues to monitor the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations. This has been DPI's COVID-19 update. For more information, visit our website dpi.gov.gy or health.gov.gy and our social media platforms.